Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now in this video, family and I have visited Grego's on the beach, and that's Grego's on the beach in Treasure Beach at the Hotel Lashins, where Lashins is. I don't think it's open right now, the hotel, Lashins Hotel. So I think Grego's have built a deck restaurant for dining on the beach. So that's just us entering the property, and that's the bar area. So everything is kind of on a deck. It's elevated on a deck. That's just me jumping hopscotch, reminding myself of when I was a kid. So that's the view of the deck. They have some fun and such, and they have some seating and something. That is the cocktail menu. There are quite a few cocktails there. Quite a few cocktails, and that is the menu for dining. They have like regular seafood along with pastas and wrap, and you can also get chicken wings. That's Mom, Judy, Chris, Marcos, Ari is drinking soup, and that's me. The soup was quite tasty, to be honest. I don't really like soup, but this one was really tasty. It wasn't bad at all. That's Mommy with her steamed fish, lot of okra and bami. That's Judy. Yes, I had a taste of the steamed fish. The steamed fish wasn't bad at all. That's Chris now just testing mommy's steamed fish. You have to try it before mommy say if pies in there, Chris I get pies, trust me. That's Ari tasting the fish also. And that's just where I was sitting. And they have roast corn and bami and all them stuffs. Grinding there. That's Jody filling her mouth. That's Christian. She finally get her wrap. That's a spinach wrap. She call it a labor right wrap. And that is the family right there. And that's me as usual with my cocktail. You know, I can't go a day without getting cocktail. And I wasn't driving, so nothing wrong with a bit of rum. And the cocktail wasn't that bad. It's just that I wasn't tasting as much alcohol as they said was supposed to be in there. I was like supposed to be 6 different type of alcohol, and trust me, I didn't taste any alcohol. So I don't know. That's just Chris and wipe her for both and thing. And that's Mommy next to her. I guess the food was really tasty. Yeah, that's me. My vegetarian pizza. The pizza was good, but it was a bit thin for my liking. That's just us on the beach side hanging out after filling our bellies, and that's the sea. The sea was so rough. Yeah, it kind of stony to get over there, but we had a blast, and we'll be coming back. So see you next time, guys.